Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make homemade hair gel for edges. Start by gathering your simple ingredients: 1 cup of flax seeds, 2 cups of distilled water, and your favorite essential oil for fragrance. Cleanliness is key, so make sure all your pots and utensils are sparkling. This ensures your homemade edge gel is pure and lasts longer. You'll also need a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth ready for the next step. Now, combine your 1 cup of flax seeds with 2 cups of distilled water in a saucepan. Place it over medium heat and bring the mixture to a gentle boil, stirring constantly to prevent the seeds from sticking to the bottom. Continue boiling for about 7 to 10 minutes. You'll notice the liquid transforming into a thick, gel-like consistency, which is exactly what we want for our edges. Once the gel reaches the desired consistency, immediately remove it from the heat. Strain the hot mixture through your fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth into a clean bowl. Press firmly on the seeds to extract every last drop of that precious gel. Discard the remaining flax seeds. Now, let the gel cool down completely to room temperature before moving on to the final step. With your gel cooled, it's time for the finishing touches. Add about 5 to 10 drops of your favorite essential oil, like lavender or rosemary, for a pleasant scent and extra hair benefits. Stir it in thoroughly. Then, transfer your fresh, homemade edge gel into an airtight container. Store it in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh and effective for up to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.